Let's edit hands, arms, and body in the same way we created facial expressions. Select the right arm and add keys to the right hand shape control parameter. Let's make a right hand in the form of stretching or grabbing. FFD will make it easier to edit. Edit the left hand the same way. Add keys to the left hand shape control parameter and edit it. Add and edit left thumb mesh. Select body mesh and associate it with the body direction control parameter. Let's make the body move left and right. The soft selection tool is used here. Select and edit the vertices that need to be moved the most. Use the blur tool to make it look not awkward. Let's make it thinking about the three-dimensional shape of the picture. Let's edit it in the opposite direction. Test and modify more. The body is now moving left and right. The body mesh as well as other meshes must move together. Select the left arm mesh and modify it to match your body movements. Ornaments need to be modified. Select the ribbon mesh and move it together as the body moves from side to side. Modify right arm in the same way. This tutorial, I will make an interesting thing. Let's make a character breathe. I will make the character's chest expand according to the breath control parameter. Make it look like it's breathing by modifying the body and ribbon meshes. Test the results. The character whose head and body move and face changes is completed.